Ever feel like your traditional bank is stuck in the past? Like they're still using carrier pigeons while the rest of the world is on instant messaging? We've all been there: long queues, confusing paperwork, and fees that seem to materialize out of thin air. It's frustrating, right? It's like they're actively trying to make managing your money more difficult. That frustration, that feeling of being left behind by outdated systems, is a big reason why so many people are turning to digital banks like Neon. Think about it. We live in a world of instant gratification. We can order food, book a ride, and connect with friends across the globe with a few taps on our phones. So why should banking be any different? Why should we have to schedule our lives around bank opening hours or spend our lunch breaks waiting in line? It just doesn't make sense anymore. And that's where the appeal of Neon Bank truly lies. Neon Bank offers a refreshing alternative to the traditional banking experience. It's built from the ground up to be mobile first, meaning you can manage your entire financial life from the palm of your hand. No more trekking to a physical branch, no more waiting in lines, no more dealing with mountains of paperwork. Everything is streamlined, simplified, and accessible 24/7. Need to check your balance at 3 a.m.? No problem. Want to transfer money to a friend while you're on the go? Easy. Neon puts you in control of your finances, giving you the flexibility and convenience you deserve. But it's not just about convenience. Neon also offers a range of features designed to make managing your money easier and more transparent. Think instant notifications for every transaction, detailed spending breakdowns to help you track your budget, and the ability to easily categorize your expenses. It's like having a personal financial advisor in your pocket, guiding you towards smarter money management. Another major draw for many people is the simplicity of Neon's fee structure. Traditional banks often bombard you with hidden fees, making it difficult to understand exactly where your money is going. Neon, on the other hand, is upfront and transparent about its fees. They believe in keeping things simple and straightforward, so you know exactly what you're paying for. No more surprises, no more hidden costs, just clear and honest pricing. Beyond the practical benefits, Neon also appeals to a younger, more tech-savvy generation. They understand the importance of a seamless digital experience and have designed their platform with user-friendliness in mind. The app is intuitive, easy to navigate, and visually appealing. It's banking designed for the modern world, reflecting the way we live and interact with technology today. So, why do people use Neon Bank? It's a combination of factors. It's the convenience of mobile banking, the transparency of their fee structure, the user-friendly interface, and the feeling of being in control of your finances. It's about embracing the future of banking and leaving behind the outdated systems of the past. It's about choosing a bank that understands your needs and empowers you to manage your money with ease. It's about choosing Neon. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.